In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trigger a Jenkins job from Slack. This setup is a great way to help engineering and operations teams launch builds, run tests, or start deployments directly from a Slack channel without switching back and forth between tools. Before you begin, make sure you have administrator access in both Jenkins and Slack, and confirm that your Jenkins instance is reachable for webhook or /command requests. To get started, sign into your Jenkins dashboard with admin access. From the main menu, go to Manage Jenkins, then open Plugins or Manage Plugins, depending on your version. In the Available Plugins section, search for the Slack Notification plugin. Once you find it, select it and install it. You can install it without restarting or choose the option to install after restart if that better fits your environment. Next, move over to your Slack workspace in a web browser. Open the Slack app directory and search for Jenkins CI. Add the app to Slack and choose the channel where notifications and commands will be used. During this setup, Slack provides an integration token credential reference. Copy that value, then return to Jenkins. Go to Manage Jenkins, Open System, and scroll down until you find the Slack configuration area. Enter your Slack workspace subdomain, then add credentials and store the Slack integration token securely there. After that, use the test connection option to confirm Jenkins can talk to Slack, and then save your settings. Now it's time to create the / command in Slack. Open the Slack API portal and create a new app from scratch. Give it a clear name, then select the correct workspace. In the app settings, go to /commands and create a new command. Use the command name Jenkins build. For the request URL, enter your Jenkins /command endpoint using your own Jenkins domain. Then add a short description saying it triggers a build job on Jenkins and set the usage hint to job name followed by build parameters. Save the command once everything looks correct. After that, configure the Jenkins job you want Slack to trigger. In Jenkins, open the job or pipeline, click Configure, and scroll to Build Triggers. Enable the option to trigger builds remotely. Enter an authentication token, but keep in mind this should be treated as sensitive and stored securely. If your job accepts parameters, scroll to Build Parameters and define the values you want users to pass in, such as a branch name or environment. Then save the job configuration. Finally, open Slack in the channel where the app or /command is available. In the message box, type your /command followed by the target job name, for example, .jenkins build, and then the name of your pipeline. If your job uses parameters, include them in the format expected by your setup. Once submitted, Slack sends the request to Jenkins, and Jenkins starts the build based on the job configuration you just prepared.